Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Vicodo, a tool that claims to reimagine customer support experience with live chat and video call. So it's an alternative to SightCall and Taxi. And Vicodo is the CRM application where remote meets personal, empowering you to capture customers through live chats and video calls. It's an all-in-one tool where you're gonna get a booking page, live chat widget, and video calls, video meetings, where you can integrate with your appointments, your booking page, and also your live chats. Also, it's a CRM, so you can store the data of your customers. As you can see here, you get a customized video page. Also, you can see the widget here. Everything will be customized with, you can add your own branding. But take a look here at the deal. You get all the professional plan updates. You can stack up to 10 codes and you can connect one Google Calendar per user. So if you need more Google Calendars, you need more users as well. You need to get at least 3 codes to be able to use CNAME, which is an important feature for that kind of tool since you're gonna have a booking page. So if you don't get at least 3, you will not have the CNAME feature, so you'll not be able to add your domain and fully white label the tool. So I would say it's like a 3 codes deal, but you need to get at least 6 codes to get the markup and drawing feature. The markup and drawing feature is a tool that you can use on your chat, on your meeting, where you can mark up and draw on your screen to better explain the problem to your customer. Let's see how the tool works. So here is the dashboard, as you can see, and everything's pretty simple to understand. I'm gonna go to the settings where you can see all the customization possibilities. As you can see here, you can change the appointment type. So customers can just start a video call, or you can start chatting with your customers, and then you can request a video call to your customer anytime. And there's many ways to customize your audio and video call options and websites. And here is your booking page where you can change your availability. Okay, pretty simple. Just change the time frame here, and also the default appointment settings. If it's 30 minutes, 1 hour, if you're gonna have a delay between the meetings, etc. I'm gonna show you the booking page here. So here's an example of a booking page. You can fully customize it, changing the background, adding your picture here, okay, removing the branding, adding all your own privacy policy and imprint. And as you can see here, your customer will add their name, email, and leave a message, which is optional to schedule an appointment. Also, Vicodo has a feedback tool. So after the meeting, your customers will see a message and they can rate, giving 1 up to 5 star. So telling if he or she is satisfied with the service. You can add different questions, even with stars or open field questions as feedbacks. On branding, you can change everything. You can add your logo, change your company name, your SMS sender, your website, disable any reference. You can change the colors of your page background. You can use your own image as background, enable or disable the bubble pattern. So change everything is possible, even the language and all the text. Okay, you can change everything. Invitation page text, your booking page look, you can change all the colors. Okay, the widgets color as well can be changed. Okay, everything is changeable. You can change the email templates. You can see here how it works. The email templates, you can add your own logo, you can change the text, everything. Also the SMS, you can change everything related to the SMS that your customers will receive to remind the meeting. And also you can add your custom domain. Pretty simple, just adding the CNAME. As language, the tool is multi-language and they have for the dashboard and the customer side of the tool, you can use it in English, German, Polish, Spanish, Portuguese, French, or Italian. So if you need a tool that's a live chat, that's a video call tool, booking in one of those languages, Vicodo can be the tool for you. You can also add quick response, which is a pretty cool feature. So you can add default response to your operators and even for you. So you don't need to, text everything again when someone asks the same question for you many times. You can even add attachments on your quick response. So if a lot of customers ask you about your roadmap or about educational material, you can have all the message replying to your customers and also attaching the material by default. You can also have quick response to as a welcome message and email replies. To add a team member is pretty simple. You just go on team and click in here and you can add a new operator, adding their name and email. Vicodo has a statistics feature where you can see the case, completed case, deleted case, average minutes, video calls, SMS spent, and email invitation spent, everything during the month period. As integrations, here you can see the live chat. So you, with a line of code, you're gonna add the live chat widget on your website, and it's also fully customizable with your colors, and you can even add by default the call button so someone can just open your live chat widget and instead of starting a chat can directly start a call with you. Okay, here's the conversation. You can change the default message as well. Okay, you can see they have emojis on the live chat. And as integrations, how you integrate your live chat, just copy the codes and add on the body of your website. Calendars, one calendar per user. They have disappear integration, API, and webhooks. So if they have webhooks, it means that you can add public connect. Here, you can create a new case. So start a new meeting, okay? So you add your customer here. You can send the invitation by email. You can password protect your or yes or no. You can send an SMS adding their phone number here. You can schedule it for later, or you can just open here and schedule your meeting directly, okay? Then you create case, okay? You can, invite by email, SMS. You can just click on the link and invite and send the link to your customer, okay? And they can start the video call with you. And also you can chat with them, okay? Send attachments as well and start the video call as well, okay? So that's Vicodo. I think the tool is pretty complete and it's pretty easy to understand how it works. The dashboard is clean. I like the user interface. If you need a tool like that, it can be an option for you. If you, for instance, you are from Poland, they have the Poland language, the Polish language, so it will be easier for you to use it with your customers. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.